Mark, great to meet you.
Great to meet you.
So, our new MasterSpas Twilight owner, what do you think about it? What do you feel about it?
We love it. It's beautiful. It fits right into the house, and we use it all the time.
So on your journey to look for a hot tub, what were some of the things that you really considered?
Making sure we didn't pay too much for some things that we think we'll never use.
Right.
We thought we'd be using it for with the kids and grandkids and everybody. Turns out that we mostly use it for us.
Well, there you go.
Yeah. We've been in it every day since we bought it, and so we love it.
And how long have you had it now?
It's 2 to 3 months.
Oh, wow. So you're really enjoying it.
Yes.
So from a therapeutic standpoint, like, I don't know about you, but I've got arthritis. I mean, do you see a difference in your life and your wife's life with the therapeutical aspect of it?
Yeah, what I think we notice the most is you can just hop in the tub and it makes a lot of the pain go away, almost instantly. We just look at each other and say, is it time for a spa? Or because
it's hot tub time.
It's hot tub time.
It's hot tub time. What was it about MasterSpas that actually sold you and your wife to say, look, this is the product for us?
Yeah. My wife does a lot of the logistics part of it. And
sounds like my
you know
house.
what the requirement is, because it really is mostly for her. So my wife did all the research.
My brother happened to have bought a spa. And he called me up and he said he was really upset because there was an issue with their spa and they didn't service it. He had to find someone to take care of it. There was no warranty. So the first thing I did when I came in here, that was my first question, do you service your own spas? And they said yes. So I'm like, okay, we got it.
Check that box.
That was the most important thing to me because that cost him a lot of time and money. And I didn't want that. We had a spa at the house already, and they were gracious enough to come out to the house.
So they actually did a site inspection for you.
They did, and they also helped us with how to drain the spa and stuff like that. Not only did they help us at the beginning, but every time I've had a problem, I call here, they'll answer my question, or they'll send somebody out for me.
That's great.
It is. It's so reassuring.
How do you feel about the fact that MasterSpas is 100% built in USA?
That's a big thing. It really is, because a lot of our appliances in the home, you have to wait for parts coming from China. And you can wait a month or 2 months or 3 months for your refrigerator part to come in. We don't have that problem. It's here, it's in the United States, it's taken care of, and it's just been wonderful.
And from your perspective, I know Mark and I have talked about the therapeutic aspect of it, the hydrotherapy.
Right.
How's that made a difference in your life?
It has. One morning I woke up with a horrific headache. I thought, I'm just not going to make it through the day. And he goes, do you want to go in the spa? And I said, okay.
Spa day.
Yeah. It was within a minute or two, my headache went away. But I have horrible arthritis, and sometimes I'm not doing well during the day, and we'll go sit there for 15 minutes, come out, and you can go on with your day. Sometimes we use it 2 to 3 times a day, sometimes just once.
Wow.
Yeah. We're in there. We really do use the spa. It's not just sitting there. That's what we keep on saying. It's the best purchase we've ever made besides maybe our house.
Love it. Love it. You've had such a great experience. How do you feel about recommending MasterSpas to anyone else?
We have recommended MasterSpas in this location too, because we like it so much. People are like, do you really use your hot tub? I'm like, we so use that hot tub. It's not even funny. But anybody asks us, anybody has arthritis or something, we just say, come here, they'll take care of you. The best part to me is they don't just sell you a tub and dump you. They sell you a tub and they stand behind it. I feel comfortable enough to go to them. And I feel comfortable enough to send other people.
That's awesome. Thank you so much.
Yeah, no problem.